You don't need a PhD in phonics to teach your child to read. My name is Danae Aboa. I'm a reading specialist, and welcome to our Learn to Read series. It's perfect for brand new readers and struggling readers. If you're new here, head here to check out lesson 1. And if you're all caught up on the lessons already, let's keep going. Welcome to workout 15. Go ahead and give your reading coach a high five and say, dun 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 dun. Today we are working on this letter. Do you know what letter this is? This is the letter M. And an M sounds like what we say when something is super delicious, right? All right, so we are going to be playing a game called popcorn today. Popcorn is played by crouching down on the ground like a popcorn seed. And your reading coach is going to read you a word, and then you're going to repeat that word really slowly again. And when you say the sound in that word, I want you to pop up like popcorn. All right, now some of the words are actually going to have two m's in them. And just like popcorn goes crazy popping when it's popping, you are going to pop twice if there's two m's in the word. So pay really close attention to how many you hear, and that's how many times you pop. Okay, so let's do an example word in the word December. So say December. December. December has one sound inside of it, so you would pop once for that word. All right, go ahead and pop like popcorn. Let's try taking away the sound from a word and see what we're left with. So let's take away the sound from more. So let's see, what would more become if I separate out the sound from the word more? Let's go slowly together. More. Or. Now let's drop off the M, and what are we left with? Or. We're left with an or. Excellent. Okay, so you've got a couple more words to try with your reading coach, taking off the sound from those words. All right, let's get ready to read the sentence. So again, before we get started, let's take a look and go for a word hunt throughout to see if we can find any of the sight words that we've learned so far. So I see one right at the beginning. Do you know what word this is? You practiced this in your workout with gravity. This is the word she. I'm going to circle that so we don't have to worry about sounding that one out. Any other words that you recognize in there from our game? Any sight words that we don't need to worry about? Do you see it? I see the word the. Here it is. T-H-E spells the. Okay, so we've gone through and we are sure that we have got all of our sight words circled. So let's now start reading. She is in. Okay, she is in the. Here's a line to start it out with, so get your mouth ready with a line. Circle first. Ed. Bed. Oh, she is in the bed. Excellent. Wow, you are really starting to learn how to read. Well done. All right, have a go at the sentences that are on your page with your reading coach. All right, let's try taking apart a word. Now, because we did popcorn for our game, let's do the word munch, because we like to munch on popcorn. Okay, so let's get ready with munch. How many sounds do you think we can find in that word? Let's try. Ch. Munch has 4, so I would need 4 boxes of Play-Doh to squish. Ch. Munch. All right, go have a try at the word that you've got on your page with your reading coach. All right, so anytime that we hear the sound and and we want to write a word that has that in it. Maybe we want to write a card to our mom or maybe our friend Melissa. So let's think about what letter we would need. If we need to make a on our page, we're going to use this letter, letter M. So when we write the letter M, again, start at the top, and we are going to drop down with a straight line, climb back up, bump the line, climb down, climb back up, bump the line, come down. Now let's do it while we're saying the sound. All right, have fun writing your M's. They are a fun letter to write. You get to bump up twice with those ones. Make sure you stop at the top line and sit it on the bottom line. Don't have floating letters. All right, have fun writing those.